So in this video, I'll show you how to fix the issue where your OnePlus Nord CE6 or CE6 5G is not connecting to Wi-Fi. Now, this may occur because of various issues, but we'll be going through them step by step to see what is actually going to work for you. So the first thing you can try is to actually ensure that Wi-Fi is actually turned on. So swipe down from the top right corner and ensure Wi-Fi is toggled on. If it's off, toggle it on to see if that is going to work. The next thing that you can try and do is to test Wi-Fi connections by going to settings, and then under settings tap on Wi-Fi, and the issue might be that the Wi-Fi you're connected to is the one that is actually not working or has an issue. So what you want to do is tap on another Wi-Fi network and try and connect to it and see if Wi-Fi is going to work on your phone. So if you find that that's the issue, the next thing you want to try is go into the Wi-Fi that is currently connected to your phone or the Wi-Fi that has the issue, and then you want to tap on the eye icon, and then you want to disconnect or even forget that Wi-Fi network and then reconnect it once again to see if that is going to fix the issue on your phone. So if that still doesn't work, or if you've tried forgetting and reconnecting to that Wi-Fi network and it's still not working, you can try and restart the router that is providing that Wi-Fi connection, and even restart your phone for good measure to ensure that all settings are refreshed on your phone and ensure that this actually works. The other thing that you can try and do is to ensure that your OS version or your software is actually up to date by going into settings and then selecting system and update. Tap on software update and ensure you're running the latest OS version or software version on your phone. So if that is still the case and it's still not working, a last resort, you can simply go into settings, and then under settings you scroll down and select system and update once again, and then select backup and reset. Choose reset phone, and then you want to reset network and Bluetooth settings by tapping on this, and then you need to verify yourself, and now you'll need to reset your network and Bluetooth settings by confirming here, and this will reset or refresh your Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and mobile network settings. And now you'll need to reconnect to all your Wi-Fi networks once again so that it refreshes those connections, and this may work for you. So let me know what worked for you in the comment section below the video. Otherwise, if this video was useful, leave a like and subscribe. Until the next video, take care and God bless.